What's going on, guys? If you just see the at a glance report, so there is a page and there are two posts. If you just click on the page, then they will just show you the pages, all the pages. Basically they just sent us to the pages area. By the way, we just learned about all these things. Right now I just want to show you that not the image, but we can upload the videos too. So I'm just clicking on the media. It will send me directly to the library. However, I click on that no. Yeah, the library, the media library. Okay, and now what I just want, I can upload, as I said, that I can upload the images, the audios and the video and whatever. So now I'm just going there to the master project, and I'm going in the bootstrap, in the HTML, and I'm just uploading the NM1, the video I have, and I'm just pasting. Now interestingly, this is a very interesting feature. The screen has become blue. However, there isn't any link to upload the file. I just simply dragged and dropped the file, and now it's there, it's uploading basically, and it's about to complete. You can click on the file. Oh, it's uploading. So just close this one for now. Just wait a little bit until it just completed all its sections. It came there, the the video. So if I just click there, you can see that the URL, you can see the complete URL of the video, and the title, the caption, the description, and etc. So now what more I just need to do, I just need to close that, and I just need to go to the all post. I just want to add the video to the post. For example, I'm just going to the new post, and there I'm just attaching that video. I just click there, and now if I just click on add media, now what the thing you want to add, I just want to add this video, not that audio. I can select only videos. Okay, it's searching. Wait for a while, it's taking a little time. If I just click on the images, so the image is in the list, so I'm just going to the all media items. Well, you can do that by yourself. I'm just clicking on the NM1, and now you can see all these details. Still you have the option to delete the video, and the size is 7 seconds is the length, and the 2 MB is the size. And then, do you want to embed or do you want to link to the media file? I just want to embed, and just click on insert into post, and you will see the video here. There is a video. Can you see that? Looking awesome. Even you can play that inside this post editing option. Let's just click on update. I just updated that. Go to the view post area. Here is a view post. Let's just click. Let's just right click on, just click on the open new tab. It will open there. Now there is the video. You can see that in this post. Hello guys, after all, I've created a new post. Now you can play this one, and you can see the video there. That means it's looking awesome. In the same way, you can upload the audios too. I do not think that this will be any problem for you. So guys, in the next class we will learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.